Okay, I'm installing this ej255 in my Subaru Outback. Just did a rebuild on it, and I can't get it to sit down all the way on the motor mounts. It just won't come down. I can get on one side or the other, but it seems to turn around somewhere center on its axis. So I've unhooked everything that I had started to hook up, which wasn't much, but no fuel lines, nothing. You can see there's like no clearance on this side. It needs to go over a couple inches. As we come around the back, I mean, nothing here. There's only a little bit of clearance right there in the steering and the axle, but we need it to go away from the steering anyway, so it's not causing the problem. And actually, right now it's really high. When we move it, it needs to be a little lower. So we'll keep going around. There's nothing binding there in the middle. I can't see anything binding around. I mean, you've got a good look. One thought I had is the transmission pull way back there might be making that axle turn a certain way. I don't know. Might have to get somewhere different to see that, but anyway, I don't see anything binding, but it won't come down. It's not on the back. I've got it jacked up in the back off the transmission mount, and I've tried just about everything I can think of. Let's go around the other side. See, there's the... Alright, so on the other side here, we got nothing. Plenty of room here on the side. We're not hitting that O2 sensor. I do need to take it out and replace it, so I could do that at any time. I've just kind of left it in there to protect and give me a idea on spacing. So nothing here. Really, you don't see anything binding there. We've got these steering lines that come down, but I mean, as you can see, as they come around, they're not really touching. So, right. See if we can get it without blinding you. Right here's where the transmission. I'll have to get it from the front. Anyway, we'll check out this side. Nothing binding. So, maybe the drive shaft, but maybe that bar on this other side for the transmission that goes up and connects. Those are the only two things I can think of that are causing this not to move over. Or unless it's the axles, but everything I've seen, you don't mess with the axles putting this engine in. So it shouldn't be. The other axle I have to replace anyway. It's got a torn boot, and I've got that ready to go, but I didn't want to do it at the same time. I wanted to kind of get this engine running first. So yeah, that's it. Let me show you the bottom on the mounts. So I have some aftermarket mounts. Well, they're not actually aftermarket. They're Subaru, but they are a stiffer ride mount. I do a lot of off-road type riding in this, so I wanted something, but it wasn't going down, so I thought that possibly that might be causing my problem. But now we've got the same problem, so I can't get it to come down anymore. Actually, when I let the engine down, one of these will come down and the other one won't. It'll kind of rotate down, like it's binding on something, but yeah, it's not. It's not hitting up there. So that's it. I'll stop it, get it as best I can, do another video where it's stopped, and there'll be no pressure on the jack, there'll be no pressure on the hoist, but the engine won't come down any. So that's my problem.